Ah, what about you, mate? Aye, not too bad, mate. I see you got the bruise on there. Nice one. Thanks a lot. Got a quick question for you. Yeah, for sure, mate. Far away. Let's take a seat. No worries, mate. I tell you what, I'm worried about making content online because I'm just worried about what other people might say about what I post. And it's kind of holding me back. That's a great question, mate. I know that you're not alone because everybody hits that hurdle when they first start making content, just like I did. There's a lot of motivational people that you can see on YouTube that'll tell you the same story whenever they started. And their first videos are not polished at all. And people want to see that too. You know, there's no point throwing out polished videos where it's not you being yourself. You know, if you drop the odd F-bomb, that's fine. Or if you mumble your words or stutter your words, that's exactly what people want to see. They want to see you to build that know, like and trust factor up with you. And in saying that, you could create blogs or you could create faceless posts, but you're not going to build up the know, like and trust factor as quick as you would do with people if they actually see you being your natural self, front of the camera, doing all sorts of different content with regards to telling your story, making it funny, making it educational, inspiring people. You know, you will eventually become comfortable doing it. Once you get out of your head that people are, you know, going to judge you on it, you will be fine and you will then be free of this worry that you've got, that a lot of people have. So, have you got any other questions, mate? Holy shit, yeah, I've wasted a ton of time worrying about what other people think, you know, when I should be getting them out of my head and making a start. I'm gonna go and start making content. Thanks very much, Davey. I've got no more questions, mate. Next time I'm coming round though, we'll get the beers on because it's a bit warm for a cup of coffee today, alright? Sounds good, mate. Sure, tag me in a couple of your posts and I can like and follow, you know, yourself and comment on your posts and give you a bit of encouragement as well. And I'll provide tips if you want, and you can ask me as many questions as you need. And yeah, I look forward to getting comfortable making your posts and enjoying it, because if it's no good if you don't enjoy it. Once you start enjoying it, you come across as being more natural. So yeah, I think you're onto one there, mate. Definitely, though, it is a bloody hot day. We'll get the bloody proper brews on the next time. Take care. All the best to you.